Here we go. Another. Go.
Are you on?
Yeah. Welcome back to Limestone Fishing. Today is kind of a special day for the Kingston Canoe and Kayak Fishing Club because today is the first official club meet that we've organized since the start of the pandemic. Of course, it's 6:30 and I'm already late to the party. Most people have probably been on the water for at least half an hour by now, but that's okay. I'm just late as usual. We'll see if I can catch some giants here on Beaver Lake today. Anyways, we'll see you on the water. Oh. All right, so now I'm on the water, and you might have heard me mention his name before. My buddy Ben is out here somewhere, so now I need to paddle around and find him because I got a little something for him. Hi, Ben. Ben. Hi, Ben. It's me, your good buddy Jeff. That's the guy from YouTube. His channel's okay, I guess. That's not Cody. Huh? No? What happened?
Maybe some paracord. I just lost the door off my GoPro 08.
Oh. That's bad.
Yeah.
Try my little gimped out rod here. The one I broke the tip off of. Oh, here we go. I got a fish on here. Feels small. It is small, but it's a bass. There we go. First fish of the day. Just a little guy. Look at this little dude here. Oops. Something likes it. Well, I don't know what happened there. Yeah. I bet they're gonna see the jig that just flew off the end of my line too. Oh, here we go. Oh, this feels like a good fish. Just a little guy. Look at that. That little dinky. I'm not even gonna bother measuring him. Okay, so two fish on the board so far. Here we go, another one. Oh. Whew. Another guy right there. Oh, I guess I should be measuring them. Nah, I'm not even gonna bother measuring him. Real quick, while we're in the middle of this video, I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you guys for watching my content so far. I'm really close to that 1,000 subscriber mark. So if you guys are interested in my content, if you like what I'm doing, like my video, consider subscribing to my channel. If you really like what I'm doing, and that's all. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Oh, that was the forecast. There we go. Oh, it was swimming right at me. This is a nice old guy. Still not big enough though. Away. Oh, he stuck to my glove. Well, I hope you catch them. So those ones have, oh, here we go.
Are you on?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it swimbait?
No. Nico rig. Nice. Oh, I was on.
Oh, to come off.
It was fighting back, I promise. I swear to God, it was fighting back. Weeds don't fight back.
No.
You on?
Yep.
Look at that. First fish, first cast. Look at that. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I hope you got your camera rolling. He was like, oh my God, limestone lures, I want it. Nom, 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 nom. Yeah, you weren't kidding. Salt and peppers. Oh, I just lost one right here. Oh, I'm still on. Ooh. Yeah. He was swimming right at me. What is it? Oh no.
Did it come off?
Yeah. He must have turned around and swam right at me. Oh no. That's the worst. That felt big too.
Well, it looked big. I mean, that was bent right down.
It felt, oh boy, that sucks. Not even recording when I caught this tiny little dude. It's about pleasure boat time. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh dude, I think this might be a good one. Oh dude, it's huge. Oh my goodness. Oh, come here. Ooh, okay, all right. Okie dokie. This is a good fish, man. On the royal oil too. Yeah, this one's gonna go on the board for sure. 16 3/4. That's okay.
So where'd you pick it up?
Right here, right off these rocks. Oh no, stop it. I'm not losing you, buddy. Hey, that's enough. That's enough of that. Yeah, 16 3/4. I'll take that. Oh, finally, some decent fish. Yeah, he didn't wait around either. Holy. That was a good fish. I just want to show you guys what I caught almost all of my fish on today. And it's so simple. It was either just a simple jig head with one of my swim baits on it, or one of these swim baits on just a keel weighted swim bait hook. Super simple, super easy presentation, like, you know, back to the basics kind of stuff. And the bass have just been crushing it. Big numbers today, even if they're small. So anyways, just wanted to show you guys that. I don't know why I casted that so far. That's not what I wanted to do. There we go. First fish on a Ned rig, on a Nico rig that I've ever caught. Right in the roof of the mouth. Nice little guy too. Cool. Oh, took the worm right out of the O-ring. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh my God, again. I didn't have any of my cameras rolling. I forgot to turn them on, but I found a nice little drop off and I found a little smallmouth bass. Well, this has been a great day on this lake. It's a lot closer than I thought it was going to be too. Yeah. For some reason, I thought this was going to be like more like an hour away. Oh, hello. I don't know, but I got a nice little bass here. I've been meaning to get down there with my kayak. There you go. There we go. Nice little largemouth bass there. There we go. This is a good one. Oh yeah. No, it's just a little guy. Still fun to catch though. He's digging. Hey, Hey. Take it easy. Whew. Man, he chomped this thing. Actually, yes. This is my first time at this lake. And I like it a lot so far. This has been such a good day of fishing. Well, it's now 1:15 and all the pleasure boaters are out, so I'm gonna head off the water. I just wanted to say thanks again for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Catch you later. Bye.